Yo, what is up everybody? G-Park's doing. Welcome back to another awesome RC video. In this video, we've done something pretty cool. We've went out to this frozen lake, or pond rather, and we've carved out a giant portion of the snow to create an ice rink, and we're gonna be drifting this Stampede 4x4 on this ice. We've done this, I want to say 2 years ago, but our footage wasn't saved. There's something was wrong, I don't remember. We did it with the Vorza, now we've done it with the Stampede. We're gonna try it out and see how it goes. Hopefully the battery stays intact because it's really cold out. We're gonna try our best to do some good videos for you guys, so let's get into it. All right, here we go. It's really cool. Oh gosh. Bro, it's like Drift Hunters, but in real life.
Yeah, but it's a lot easier to drift.
You can actually drift. No gyro in this truck, by the way, guys. No drift gyro. Here, I'll show you. No TSM, no nothing. So I'm drifting myself. There's some snow there. Yeah. 360 entry. Oh!
Is it waterproof?
Yeah. Alright, let's try 360 entry. That was more than a 360. 540 there. It's harder than actually drifting a proper drift car because it's really slippery. But it's still pretty fun to do. Alrighty. All right, so battery died. It's really cold. My fingers are really cold. He's got gloves on. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this. We're gonna make a edit montage sort of thing so it looks a little bit better than it did now.
It's a pretty short video.
Pretty short video, but well worth it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Ah.
Yeah.